Hey, what's going on, guys? Andy here for GBTV. Yes, I know no videos have come out for a while. I really have been trying to, but last video I shot didn't really come out that well. So I thought I'd do another quick little video here at my little shelf. This is the same shelf where I filmed that Red Nose Day collection video, but I've had to update it a little bit. So, a little bit news about the red noses. All the boxes are still there. I still have the boxes. I have not got rid of them. There's no way I would get rid of the boxes. I do have some noses in the boxes over there in my wardrobe, but I actually can't show you those yet. Those ones, you're going to have to wait until January. But what I'm here for is for these things here. These are my filament rolls. We have green, yellow, a bit of red left, and that was blue. Blue's now empty. We have my toolkit. We have my isopropyl alcohol. I don't know where my cotton pads have gone, but that's fine. We have all my tools here. And, oh yeah, the 3D printer itself. I thought it's time that, I just went into detail about my 3D printer that I have, and also the modifications that I've made to it, just the ease of life stuff that I've done to it. So, I guess first things first we need to do is turn it on. Hey Google, turn on the printer.
Got it. Turning 2 outlets on.
So, that has just turned on the printer. It's also turned on these lights up above. And yeah, just in general, everything's all running. So, if you do have kind of like any history of watching Ender 3v2 videos, or even if you have an Ender 3v2, then you'll know this is not how it comes. First of all, the spool is normally mounted on top, but I don't have that much clearance. So I printed off a little, let's get the light on. Printed off a little spool holder mount. It literally just moves the spool holder from up there down to here, and it's at a 45-degree angle, so I can still print, and it goes into the filament. I have a aluminium extruder up here instead of the plastic one. It just means that it will extrude more evenly. We have down here, the software does look a little bit different. That is because I've had to flash it with some different firmware so I could get my BL Touch working. Yes, I have a BL Touch. This was actually quite easy to fit because it came with the mount, and the back plate already had BL Touch mounting holes in it, so I just took advantage of that and I fed it all this through the wiring loom. I have also got a new PTFE tube as well because that came with the extruder. I've got my little Raspberry Pi camera arm here, and that's focused mainly on the build platform, just so then that way I can monitor my prints using my Raspberry Pi running Octoprint. If I just do that, that would work. Yes, so this is a Raspberry Pi Model 3A Plus. It's only got one USB port. It's a nice slimline design, and to be fair, I only chose it because it was the only one that CEX had in store. But, I've got the Raspberry Pi cable connected via a longer cable, because obviously the printer needs to be able to reach its full height. And with the original cable, it's actually probably only that big, so that wouldn't have worked. We have a USB cable coming into it that goes under, and that also ties in with the power supply for the printer, and that comes down here into a little extension lead, and then that is plugged into a smart plug, and that's how I was just able to turn it on. I've got those two connected to that smart plug, and then that one there turns on the lights. So if I just want the lights on, then I can just turn the lights on. If I just want the printer on and no lights, which is what I normally do when I'm doing an overnight print, I'll have the printer running, but I won't have the lights on because then I won't be able to get to sleep. And yes, you will notice as well that this used to have a door on it. But I've got rid of the door just so all these cables can fit. That was scary. I thought I just knocked over my ISS. But no, and obviously I have debranded it because there was a giant QR code sticker here and there are some bits of information here. I've just took all those off just so it looks nice and clean. Obviously it does still say Ender on there and do have the Ender logo on there, but that's my 3D printer. And just to quickly go over a few things that I have printed recently, more than anything. First of all, we have these little things. I do also have a yellow and a red one. There they are. I thought they were lost, but nope. Here we go. These are little companion cubes from Portal and Portal 2. And I literally just printed these out as little filament swatches. So I could keep these by the filaments, and then I can look at these ones and say, okay, that is the kind of quality I can expect. I'll print from that colour today. And so yeah, so those would normally just go in front of the filaments and jobs are good. I do also have a few bigger ones as well. Let me just get the light back on. There you go. And I do have a few bigger ones as well. I do also have a mini baby Groot. That was actually one of the first things I printed because I wanted to make sure that it was all working. That's why. I mean, it is technically a baby Groot planter, but I wasn't too confident with 3D printing at the time, so that's why it's only a small one. I've got this little belt buckle, which was only released a couple days ago on Thangs. And yeah, it's literally just a mini little seatbelt buckle, but this is fully printed. There's no external bits needed, and everything you need is all 3D printable, or even just a little bit of filament for the spring that pops out the tongue. So yeah, and I also do have some more stuff in my little drawer here. I have to go back into normal, and then there we go. So I do have some more stuff. So I've got a foot, which is all printed in place. I've got Rexy. I've got some threads, some screws. I've got some Millennium Falcons. I've got some Nando's chickens. And this is actually one of the models that comes on a Windows machine. So I literally just grabbed the STL file that came with my Windows computer, and I printed it out. And you know what? It actually does look quite cool. Granted, not quite as cool as the actual, what's it called? Space shuttle that Lego made, but you know, I can't complain too much. But yeah, just a little quick video about my 3D printing setup and, like, you know, what's going on with it. I am going to be getting some more filaments soon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to do more 3D printing videos in the future? Because I am definitely passionate about this. But obviously I will be doing some more Red Nose Day videos when they come out, because again, I can't go into too, but I can do some some Red Nose Day videos coming soon. I say coming soon, we're in November now, it'll probably be January time by the time the Red Noses come out, essentially. I'll be doing the exact same thing as last year, as in I'm going to be getting a full box of noses, and I'll do a full unboxing video of them all, spread over 8 weeks, in the run-up to Red Nose Day. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much for sticking around and watching this video. Enjoy my face, which I know not many people can enjoy it, but there you go. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have a 3D printer at home as well, because, you know, I mean, I know not everybody has a 3D printer. But yeah, let me know what you want me to print. Let me know what you think of it. Do you like 3D printing? Do you think it's a bit meh? And yeah, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment down below, ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and all the other good stuff that YouTubers normally say. And with that one, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao. That was meant to be a mic drop, but yeah.